Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I mentioned in a cast iron cooking video that I was going to be doing bangers and mash, and I ended up making something else, so I thought, well, I have all the ingredients, so let's still make it. Because it sounds good. And I'm hungry, and it's time for dinner, so 2 birds. Alright, get things going. Pan just got put on, so I'm not super worried. Got just a little bit of bacon grease. I mean little, not a whole lot. I got my brats from the other day. Honestly, it was yesterday. So, start getting those browned. I got water here for mash, which I got, can I reach it? Which I need to cut up and get in the water. And then I got some broccoli that I'm going to steam up. Because like I said, I literally made this yesterday, so, yeah, let's get to it. Come on, camera. Focus, there we go. I don't think I've ever made mash with just one potato before, but this will be the first time. Because tomorrow is Friday, and it's also my Friday, and I don't know what's going on yet tomorrow. So, but cut these potatoes up. Excuse me. Cut these up and get them in the water. Sweet. Alright, get my spuds going. Oven's warming up. Broccoli's all cut up and in the steamer. My favorite way to make broccoli. Or favorite way to do vegetables is to steam it. Alright, get these brats in the oven. I like to bake mine. Potatoes are boiling up nicely. Get a little salt in the water. My potato. Yeah, if you keep the lid on it, it actually raises the temperature a little bit, so it boils a little bit better. It boils faster and a little bit better. So you can use a little fork, and you just want to make sure that they're fork tender, which means a fork can be pushed into it without any resistance, and it'll just go right through. Thus, fork tender. I'm going to drain these, and then get them ready for mash. So what I've seen a lot is after you've drained them, put them in the pot when it's still hot, and then a little blemish on this one. Get rid of that. And then the residual heat will burn off all the steam and the liquid, so you'll get dry potatoes, which I'm going to put in butter and then milk and then meat them. And then when you, I'm going to use unsalted butter, and I've been asked why I use unsalted butter, and that is because when I do that, I can add my own butter. I can add my own salt, and as much as I want, or as little as I want, without going over, or whatnot. Because if it was salted butter, it might come out a little too salty. So, get these broths pulled and checked. Because it's pork, I want to make sure I'm not going to be... I don't want to get sick. It just seems like bad times. Sweet. Alright. They are a great temp. And I had to put the oven mitt over here. Now I got the burner turned back on. What I want to do is I want to use some of that residual oil left over. Move these to a piece of foil. So I want to make a little bit of beef gravy. Got some pan should be good and hot. I don't want to make a ton of gravy, I just want to make like a little bit. Let's see if I can do this. So, a little bit of flour. Got my favorite spatula. Come on. Okay. I'm not gonna need all this, but I made a big mess. Let me go ahead and put these back in. Back into the gravy. I think that might be a good amount. Not too much, not too little. Alright, let's plate. So I got my mash here. Gotta add black pepper because I freaking love black pepper. That made a good amount. Okay, that's hot. Okay. And wooden spoon just wasn't cutting it. So. Now, like I said, this typically gets made with onion gravy. So if your heart is set on onion, then I would have sauteed some up, a little bit of grease, butter, whatever, however you like it, and then I would have removed them from the pan, and then made gravy, and then put them back in. So that worked out because that one potato made a good amount, and then the sausage, and like a good amount of gravy too, so not too much. Alrighty. I was remembering that holiday pork roast I made, and I had it sitting right here, and I go to cut it, and it fell off the damn counter. So I pre-cut a couple bites. Oh yeah. Try the mash. And the mash with that gravy. Man, that's money. Hot. Well, I'm gonna sit and eat. This is delicious. Alright, well, clean plate, I will say. Man, those are really good. I actually kind of wish I had made a little bit more because I would have eaten more, but then I'd be sitting here with a food coma. I'm pleasantly full. Wouldn't mind a few cookies, but Mr. Gut says no cookies. Because you know, if I had 6 here, I'd eat all 6. I mean, I have no willpower. That was delicious sweets. Anyway, I still got to clean up and get everything put away and run the dishwasher, blah blah blah. But I'm not gonna show any of that. Thanks for watching. Highly recommend. Try to figure out how to make your own gravy. Man, it was delicious. A little bacon grease, a little flour, a little stock, stirred up. Phenomenal. Really good. Better than any package. And by the way, that whole meal, the brats were $3.99. They were $4.99, but they were on sale, so they were $3.99. And I had 5 to a package. So because I cooked them 2 different days in a row, that makes the 2 pieces plus the half $2.50. The potatoes, 2 of them were $1.20. So I got 60 cents for the potato. And I forget how much the broccoli was. I think the broccoli was like $1.30, but I used it over 2 days. So, I mean, do the math. We got $2.50, well, $5-6 bucks. Dinner was phenomenal. Way cheaper than eating out. So it's food for thought. Food for thought. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.